Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Bruder eye compress moist heat. This is it's for dry eyes. It's to activate your meibomian glands. So microwave activated, naturally hydrating, washable and reusable, antibacterial and non-allergenic. That's awesome. This is a 2-pack. Yeah, 2 packs. So let me bust them open. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I got these from. Let's see. Oh, all right. All right, so I got out of the 2-pack. Bam. Boom. Professional model. Simply microwave and apply for deeply penetrating moist heat treatment. So this is for dry eyes, MGD, blepharitis, all that good stuff. Let's check it out. There's a little opening up here. Little tough packaging, but we got it out. Cool. Let's see. Okay. Comes with some other swag, some eyelid cleansing wipes, eyelid sheets, cool. Some more eyelid sheets and some paperwork. Yeah, and then here's a product, the front of the product. Looks like this. Back of the product that goes in your eyes looks like that. Yeah, then Velcro. Got some Velcro over here so you can adjust it. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this product in the comment section. Hope you're all doing well. I will catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.